Hi everyone, Ruhul Amin here. Your trusted digital marketer, Photoshop expert, and founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. Welcome back to my channel, where we review the latest and greatest in beard trimmers and grooming tools. Today, I've got an exciting product to share with you, the BaBylissPRO FX799MB beard trimmer. Let's find out if this grooming tool lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with the basics. The BaBylissPRO FX799MB comes in a compact package with dimensions of 9.65 by 5.47 by 3.43 inches and weighs just 1.72 pounds. Inside the box, you'll find the trimmer itself, a charging cable, one lithium-ion battery, and a detailed user manual. Here are some quick specs. Model number, FX799MB. Battery, 1 lithium-ion battery included. UPC, 074108477705. Country of origin, China. Manufacturer, BaBylissPRO. It's a solid product ranking 25,398 in beauty and personal care on Amazon. Let's dig deeper into its performance. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice is its premium build quality. The BaBylissPRO FX799MB is designed with professionals in mind, featuring a sturdy yet lightweight construction. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended grooming sessions. The sleek black and silver finish adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. When it comes to performance, this trimmer does not disappoint. Here's what stands out. Precision cutting. The FX799MB features ultra-sharp blades for a precise trim every time. Whether you're shaping your beard, maintaining stubble, or going for a clean neckline, this trimmer handles it all. Battery life. With the included lithium-ion battery, you get long-lasting power, making it ideal for travel or professional use. A single charge provides up to 2 hours of continuous use. Versatility. It's perfect for various grooming needs, from beard trimming to touch-ups on hairlines and sideburns. Ease of cleaning. The detachable blade system makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring hygiene and performance over time. Real-world usage. To give you a real-world perspective, I've been using the BaBylissPRO FX799MB for 2 weeks. Here's my verdict. The trimming experience is smooth and effortless. It's quiet, efficient, and doesn't tug or pull at hair. Plus, its lightweight design makes it comfortable to maneuver, even for detailed work. Let's quickly sum up the pros and cons. Pros: high precision and sharp blades. Long battery life. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Easy to clean. Cons: slightly higher price compared to competitors. Limited accessories included in the package. Who is this for? If you're a professional barber or someone serious about grooming, the BaBylissPRO FX799MB is a worthy investment. Its premium build and performance justify the price. However, if you're on a budget, you might want to explore other options. So, there you have it, my detailed review of the BaBylissPRO FX799MB beard trimmer. If you're interested in purchasing this fantastic grooming tool, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Raminmark, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.